So we just got back from spending about a good $1,000 for our trip around Oz. Well, you can't see me, sorry, that was a bad angle.
We did. It was a bit scary.
It's called the Companion Aqua Cube. Seen a few reviews on it. Looks really good. Well, yeah, it's got a 4.5 out of 5 star. Straight up, just ripping it open, no fucks given. First impression, it's sleek.
It comes with a bag too.
Ooh, bag, little carry bag, very nice. Caution. Just don't be an idiot pretty much with it. Outdoor use only. 2 metre hose.
That's a good, 2 meters is a good area.
Plastic attachments, I'm a bit dubious on them. Gas fitting for it. Power sockets, and that's the cigarette one, won't need that.
Oh yeah.
Actually no, that's the, I don't know, we'll have a look.
That's the charger, I think, that you use it to charge it.
Yeah, and then that's the pump.
The pump that you put in the water bucket?
Yep.
Alright, those are just our tent pegs.
Oh yeah. Cool.
Look at these big tent pegs.
Aqua Cube.
Whoa.
Man, it looks slick. So it's $420 from BCF with a 2-year warranty. And given we're BCF members, we can just take it back anywhere in Australia pretty much if it ever does break on our trips. Trips being more than one. Big trip.
Okay, we nearly got the hot water going. Travi loves his hot showers. He's going to miss them a lot, but we got this.
Exactly.
We got this.
Plastic on everything. $23, $24. Okay. Okay, then what's the next bit go?
There's no next step. Oh yeah, there is. Turn gas temperature control knob clockwise to central position between min and max.
Before you've even turned it on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Press start button and adjust water temperature. Press start button and adjust water temperature to the desired setting by turning gas temperature control knob. To turn off, slide power shower head flow switch to the off position. How's it going?
Wow. That's half. So I think that's double that. See, I'll turn it up a little bit. That's 37. Oh, we'll just. $38.
40.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's really nice.
That's
and
not even.
I know.
Oh my god. Feel it. That's almost too hot. Like
That's 43. What do we reckon?
Quick review. I'd give it 10 out of 5. To know that you could shower anywhere in Australia with hot water and feel crisp and clean.
Very excited. We rate this very highly. We haven't used
wrinkly
it yet,
fingers too.
but it's very hot.
Yeah, hot enough.
Yeah, Trav's got wrinkly fingers.
Wrinkled dog. After a couple of minutes. I think that's
We're very happy with our buy.
Aquacube. Aquacube, I think, is the difference between an okay trip around Australia and a great trip around Australia.
And comfort. We're going to be comfortable the whole way.
Yep.
That's another big thing.
Doesn't take long to heat up the water either. It's like seconds. Incredible. After a hard day on the road or dirty or big trek or...
We don't have to heat up water over the fire.
No, just plug in and plug and go.
Plug and go.
Time for the unboxing of the fridge, but I'm going to pack it away.
Yeah, it's a cute, awesome little box.
Bag? Yeah.
Yay.
Tell us that what's next? What'd you get? No, I can't see it in this side.
This is next.
Compressor fridge freezer. Includes protective cover for everyone out there. That's already worth $60 more than what the other brands are worth. Because they never fucking give you that. Plastic, not really frothing on the plastic that comes in, but whatever. What do you do? What can you do? Complain to the company, use less plastic.
Can you
Oh, damn, that's fresh. Get a blade, slice it.
Where's those knives?
Slice it, don't dice it. Oh, doing nice, just one cut. Oh, you going from here? Oh, satisfaction.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I'm not ready, I'm never
Are
ready.
you ready?
I'm shaking at the knees. Oh, this is that Chinese cardboard too. This is that nice stuff. Ooh.
Nice bit of cardboard, eh?
Oh, would you believe it? More plastic. No. Okay, I might need to put the camera down to get it out of the box.
I think you do.
Okay.
I'll hold it.
Oh, just rip it. Rip it, baby. Oh.
Here she is.
Big slide out. Oh. Ooh. Nice. So it's a 60 litre rough country. Did a little bit of researching on the old fridges. Oh. That puppy. Ooh. Ooh, that's fresh. How's it smell? Does it have that fresh fridge smell?
It has the fresh fridge smell.
Oh, does smell good.
This is a littler motor than the other ones too, so it's more room.
60 litres. We think this should be sufficient. We're not really big meat eaters or anything, so it's not. We're cheese fiends though, so 30 litres of cheese and
30 litres. 30 kilos.
Oh, half the fridge, yeah, 30 kilos or 30 litres.
30 litres.
And then QC quality control, it passed with a 6. That's all right. Don't know what 6 means, but whatever.